In March 2024, McDonald's made an announcement. After 3 years and a partnership with IBM, they were rolling out AI-powered drive-through ordering systems across hundreds of locations. The technology would take customer orders automatically, reduce wait times, free up staff for other tasks. One location in Illinois went viral. Not because the AI worked. The customer ordered a single ice cream cone. The AI added bacon, butter packets, and a large sweet tea. McDonald's quietly shut down the entire program 4 months later. In a brief statement, they said they would explore voice ordering solutions in the future. They did not mention the bacon. This would be a funny story if it were only McDonald's. But right now, across the tech industry, something is happening that almost nobody is talking about publicly. The same executives who spent years telling investors, employees, and the public that AI would transform everything are quietly changing course. Canceling projects, rehiring workers, and rewriting expectations. Start with the money. In January 2025, Microsoft pledged $80 billion for AI data centers in a single fiscal year. The message was clear: the future would require enormous amounts of AI infrastructure. But within months, reports emerged that Microsoft had canceled or stepped away from multiple data center projects, while executives acknowledged the possibility of overbuilding capacity. At the same time, analysts began warning that the market's enthusiasm for AI was starting to resemble previous technology bubbles. Not because AI was fake, the internet was real too. But history shows that revolutionary technology does not guarantee profitable investments. Then came the workforce story. In February 2024, Klarna announced that its AI chatbot was performing work equivalent to hundreds of customer service agents. Hiring slowed, headcount shrank. The company became one of the most cited examples of AI replacing human labor. Then the narrative changed. Roughly a year later, Klarna acknowledged that its push toward automation had hurt customer service quality. The company began investing in human support again. The goal was no longer replacing people. The goal was finding a balance, and Klarna was not alone. Across the industry, companies that initially promoted aggressive AI-driven workforce reductions began softening their positions and bringing more focus back to human workers. The problem was not just jobs, it was results. Uber revealed that most of its engineers were regularly using AI coding tools. Large amounts of code were being generated with AI. But the company also admitted that the costs were rising rapidly while the benefits were difficult to measure. That pattern appears elsewhere. Many organizations have invested heavily in AI projects only to discover that turning impressive demos into measurable business value is much harder than expected. And even some of the strongest voices behind the AI boom have started adjusting their predictions. Earlier forecasts about rapid job displacement have become more cautious. The conversation has shifted away from replacing workers and toward expanding what workers can do. Then came the legal and operational problems. A Pizza Hut franchisee operating more than 100 locations filed a major lawsuit arguing that a mandated AI dispatch system reduced efficiency rather than improving it. According to the complaint, delivery times increased, customer satisfaction fell, and managers lost operational flexibility. Air Canada faced legal trouble after a chatbot provided information that did not match the airline's actual policies. The company lost the case. The ruling reinforced a simple reality: if an AI system gives customers bad information, the company is still responsible. And then there was Builder.ai. The company became one of the most talked about AI startups in the world. It promised software development powered by artificial intelligence, but after serious allegations involving its operations and finances emerged, the company collapsed. Different industries, different companies, different problems, but the pattern is difficult to ignore. Big promises, aggressive rollouts, massive investment. Then, in many cases, a quieter reality. Projects scaled back, expectations lowered. Humans brought back into the process. That does not mean AI is failing. Far from it. AI is already changing how companies operate, how software is written, and how work gets done. But it may mean that the transformation is happening far more slowly and far less dramatically than many executives originally claimed. The difference between a breakthrough technology and a bubble is not whether the technology works. It is whether the expectations surrounding it match reality. And right now, some of the people who push the biggest AI promises appear to be realizing that reality is much more complicated. Because the last time major companies started quietly walking back their biggest plans, most people were not paying attention either.